Michigan Democrats continue to push for gun reform legislation. Good evening, I'm David Andrews, and Emmerich is off tonight. Now that a red flag bill has passed the Senate and waits to be signed into law by Governor Gretchen Whitmer, one county is expressing its opposition. News 10's Deanna Giles spoke with one local county sheriff, and he says he will not enforce the red flag law. She joins us now in the newsroom to explain why. Deanna?
David, the red flag bills are the last of a series of bills that many have pushed for gun reform. Governor Whitmer is expected to sign the bill into law. Now, Livingston County Sheriff Mike Murphy says he doesn't plan on enforcing a law that he doesn't think is right.
I don't believe they're constitutional, and that's the reason that I've taken the stance that I have.
Livingston County Sheriff Mike Murphy has taken an opposing stance against the red flag bill. He says it's not right to take one's property based on something that might happen, and the decision should be made by a judge.
There's due process that the individual or both individuals or however many individuals are involved, if they go to court and the court determines, yes, this happened or didn't happen, that's due process.
The governor is expected to sign a bill allowing people to petition a judge to temporarily take away a person's gun if deemed dangerous. On the other hand, Ingham County Sheriff Scott Rigglesworth says as a sheriff, it's their duty to enforce the law.
I don't feel I get to pick and choose which laws I like or don't like, or which laws I feel I do or don't want to enforce.
It is part of a series of gun reform laws after the mass shooting at Michigan State University in February.
We're trying to fix society's ills with legislation, and that's never worked, and it's not going to work here.
When these laws become law and become effective, we will enforce them the best we can at the Ingham County Sheriff's Office.
Murphy added he intends to pass along any of these cases that comes to his desk to other police departments. Reporting live in the newsroom, Deanna Giles, News 10.
Deanna, thank you. When Governor Gretchen Whitmer signs off on the new bill, Michigan will join 18 other states and Washington, D.C. with red flag laws on the books.